I'm just going to go around this thing and try to give you a little narration of things I might think of as I'm going around. Me just, kind of walk around and, and then you can get an idea of, what the paint looks like. Which it's all, it's all pretty good. Really good all the way around. Of course it has the fiberglass bumpers. Even these emblems on the car, these things, you couldn't buy them for less than $75 a piece. No big deal, but okay, and the the cap is a Gaylord cap. They cost $2,000. Let me see if I can get it up, give you a look in the bed. There's no rust in the bed, by the way, or there's no rust on the car in the frame or anything like that. It is a Florida car its whole life. It was originally black. The quarters were never hit, so they're as straight as they are from the factory, which isn't perfectly straight, in my mind, but they look nice. Nobody would call you on it. Has the rear disc brakes. They're the LS1 Camaro disc brakes. Okay, this door here, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some pimpling on the paint a little bit, and it's hardly noticeable, but I was going to repaint it, but it's not that big of a deal. It's hardly noticeable. Nobody would notice it. Nowhere else on the car. Of course, the front brakes are the 12-inch LS1 Camaro brakes. The front has the fiberglass roll pan with the spot for the license plate, which I don't like the ones without the license plate, because it just breaks up the front. Without the license plate, the one without the license plate just looks like a fat lip. Anyhow, so, and of course the spoiler too. Okay, I don't want to run out of time here babbling on. Anyway, okay, let's just, these seats were Park Avenue seats. They're, individual seats. They're both power with recliner. The dash is a Regal dash. In fact, this one is out of a Grand National, and as is the console is a Regal console with the B&M Star Shifter, and there's your Scan Master and all the gauges, which light up bright white because I have LED lights in all of them. I got the power seat controls over here on the below the armrest, but on the other side I never installed them. It's kind of, you might see the control laying on the floor, but you know how it is. Once it's set, it's set. Who cares? Okay, let me just pull back a little, and let's see. I'm going to raise the hood first. And it's just your basic 3.8 V6. Like I said, it doesn't use oil, it doesn't smoke, it's got great oil pressure. It should have no problem running in the 12s with street tires at, probably at around 110 miles an hour. That's what my T-Type used to do. Pretty big aluminum radiator, you don't have to worry about it overheating. a 140 amp alternator, alcohol injection. There's the pump there. Has a B-body master cylinder, which is a little bit bigger than the stocker. Works well. There's a new compressor. There's a new evaporator in this thing and a new dryer. Let me start it up. Ooh, it didn't start. No, I'm lying. Okay. So much for comedy. Let me put the headlights on. Kind of give you a look at that. By the way, the stripe on it is reflective, so you know it gives a nice effect at night. You see, it has the LED headlights. You know, you can tell because they're all white. Runs like a sewing machine. Let me just open up the other side. I'm running out of time here. Okay. All right, and there you go. And maybe you can think up some questions for me.